Hi everyone, Jamie Humphries here and welcome to another lesson where today we're taking a look at an intermediate version of Crazy Crazy Nights by Kiss. So let's kick things off by taking a look at our intermediate arrangement of the verse progression. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we're going to kick off with the G major chord to a G sus4 and then back to the G major. And then we're going to play the C5 down to the B5 and then play the A5 and then drop down onto the next pair of strings and play the D5. Okay, for the second part of the riff, we'll play the G to the G sus4 and back to G. Then we just jump straight to that C5 again, down to the B5, and then we're just going to pick up on a D5. So that's going...